A little video. I'm eating some lovely honey mangoes. I don't know where they're from. Here is the box. Where are they from? They're either from India or Pakistan. And in this video I was going to share with you my simple prayer I said. Because water is in our body mostly, and so is it in the food and the fruits. And when we feel certain feelings, our frequency of vibration and intention and focus, we transfer energy and information to the food and to the fruits, for example, right now. And that is like a blessing. It's like, so I was going to say, thank you, mangoes. And I actually like to say my prayers out loud because it's more like a further embodiment and expression of a thought or a feeling. Not that it's necessary, but I personally like it. So, on the top of a mountain here, I just want to say thank you, mangoes, for this beautiful food. Thank you, mangoes. Thank you, mango trees, for these delicious mangoes. Thank you, sun, for these beautiful mangoes, the sun energy. Thank you, sun. Thank you, air, for feeding the trees that made these mangoes. Thank you, my beautiful body, for loving me and being my holy vessel and instrument in this lifetime. So grateful for all you parts, cells, organs. Thank you, mangoes. Thank you, air, for feeding the tree. Thank you, air. Thank you, earth, for nourishing the roots and the branches and the fruits of the beautiful, delicious mango trees. Thank you, water, rain, and rivers, for nourishing again the whole tree and feeding life to it. Thank you. Thank you to the spirit of the trees and the trees for making these mangoes that I'm eating. And thank you all the people who've grown, loved, looked after, harvested and transported this food and even prepared this food, which is if it's a recipe, which this isn't the preparation, but that's all you really need to say, everyone. You can just say whatever you want, like thank you to ancestors, even the ancestors of these trees, you know, the previous old trees, previous generations. So that's it, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the prayer, and I hope you feel an intention and a love, like a feeling towards the food. And yeah, it's definitely a beautiful thing to do. And enjoy life, everyone. Lots of love, and yeah, enjoy being healthy and learning the lessons of your soul, which is everyone is unique and everybody responds a little bit differently to different things and different foods at different times. So always have love and compassion and understanding and empathy towards ourselves and other people, instead of forcing and thinking you know everything for everyone else, because we don't, even physiologically, like exactly, even though there's like generalizations and blueprints to our health. And also we never know the soul path. So all souls, everything happens for a reason. There's no mistakes, therefore there's nothing bad, everything is good. It adds to the world how this works in the 3D here. Hitler provided enormous expansion and desire for peace and creation of peace. Souls, yeah, I won't go on and on, but it's just, yeah. Anyway, I'll make that another video, you know, but enjoy the day, everyone, lots of love. And if you like my videos, please do hit the bell button below, because otherwise YouTube is changing and you won't receive notifications. So I'd love to have you join me, so thanks for watching and joining. So hit the bell button for future videos on body, mind, spirit, holistic health and super happiness, best empowerment, conscious, joyful living, excellent communication, all sorts of stuff, okay, on health, happiness and fitness as well. And yeah, please do hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video, and feel welcome to share and comment or leave any questions as well if you have. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your good energy towards me, everyone. Appreciate it. Bye. Have a nice day. Such a sweetest day ever. Life's short.